Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold power button. After just click and hold power button, so restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search camera app from here. After click on camera app, click on storage usage. After click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.